Hello everybody, Rudy here. Please like and subscribe, and in this video I'll be launching a mini space station in Kerbal Space Program. The guidelines: must have science experiments, must have the processor lab, must be tiny. Watch till the end to find out what happens. And here we are, ready to launch, and I fire up the engines. Now I realized I kind of went the wrong way on my gravity turn, so I quickly corrected that. Didn't cause too much delta V, and if you look at the black speck, that is an Easter egg monolith. So I'm going to be doing this gravity turn for a bit, so I might not talk until a few events happen. So we just wait, and our SRB's fuel are getting low, so we're gonna have to jettison those. Then we'll have a little bit less weight, so we'll start going a bit faster. And I got a little bit too good of a gravity turn, so then I had to jettison those. Now I realized at launch I didn't throttle up those engines, so I throttled them up right then. And good thing I added the aerodynamics, otherwise the gimbal on the engines would be not effective at all. So I zoomed out a bit, so I had to zoom in, and we're seeing the atmospheric forces. And as you can see, I had a bit too good of a gravity turn, as you can see. And then I get it up to about 115 meters above the ground. It starts to shrink a little bit because I'm creating a little bit of drag, as you can see there. Then I warped times until I got there. So to get into orbit, I burned prograde when I got to the apogee, and we're in the very upper atmosphere. And I think we're just out of the atmosphere now. So then I warp there. Okay, that is when I exited the atmosphere. So now that we reached our apogee, I fired up the prograde. And I forgot what button to press to lower the throttle, so I had a little bit too high of an apogee, so it wasn't that circular. And I thought I'd have to wait a little bit to lower it. But then I realized I was close enough to the perigee to be fuel efficient. So I burned retrograde, as you can see, and we're about to circularize. And there. It's not the most circular thing ever. And I had a bit too much fuel left over. And here, sorry my epileptic viewers for that. And here we are. So we started to do the science. So I'm going to let it process in the processing lab. Now I'm in sandbox mode, so it doesn't do much. And I actually put the wrong bit of science on, so I did atmospheric science when there was no atmosphere in space. I was a little bit rushy on the science.